Today class on monophasic liquid dosage forms introduced into body cavities. These are throat paints. Throat paints are the liquid preparations introduced into body cavities, most commonly used for treatment of throat and mouth infections. These are mainly containing active ingredients intended for treatment of mucosa of the throat and mouth. Throat paints are viscous in nature due to presence of high concentration of or high volume of glycerin. These glycerin attached to the mucosa or throat of the mucous membrane produces contact to the longer period and produces prolonged action of medicament in the throat. Examples of throat paints are Mandel's paint, tannic acid glycerin throat paint, phenol glycerin throat paint, boro glycerin throat paint, brilliant green and crystal violet paint, crystal violet paint, coal tar paint, compound mastic paint, petadine antiseptic paints. Examples: compound iodine paint. This is also called as Mandel's paint. It is used for treatment of inflammation of pharyngitis and also used for inflammation of tonsils. Iodine throat paint is designed for to kill the germs. It is also used for treatment of sore throat and also treatment of ulcers in throat and mouth. The second example is crystal violet paint used for treatment of thrush. Next, another example is phenol glycerin. This is most commonly used for to produce analgesic effect in tonsillitis. Analgesic means these are the agents which are used to reduce the pain in produced in tonsils. It is also used for ulcerative stomatitis, pain reducing. Next one, tonic acid glycerin. Tonic acid glycerin is produces astringent action and also relieves the sore throats. Next one, throat paints are most commonly produces different types of pharmacological action used to produce different types of therapeutic actions. Examples: astringents. These are the agents which are used to precipitate the proteins. Examples: tannic acid and boric acid. The second category of medicaments used in throat paints are antiseptics. These are the agents. These are used for inhibit the growth of microorganisms or germs. Examples are iodine and crystal violet. Next one, anti-infective. These are the agents which are used for cure the growth of microorganisms. Examples: phenol. Next one, analgesics. Analgesics are defined as agents which are used to reduce the pain. Examples: clove oil and potassium permanganate. These are the various types of medicaments used in throat paints. Examples is Mandel's throat paint. The Mandel's throat paint contains potassium iodide 25 grams, iodine 12.5 grams, alcohol 90%, volume by volume 40 ml, water 25 ml, peppermint oil 4 ml, glycerol up to 1000 ml. The procedure involved in preparation of Mandel's throat paint is: first, weigh the required quantity of potassium iodide. It can be dissolved in water. Next, iodine is added in the concentrated potassium iodide solution to form a potassium iodides. The above solution can be added to the peppermint oil is dissolved in alcohol. The alcoholic solution can be added to the above iodine solution. The final volume can be made up with glycerin. Glycerin produces prolonged contact to the mucous membrane and also produces prolonged action of medicament in the throat. Next one, uses of Mandel's throat paint used as a antiseptic, most commonly used for treatment of inflammation of tonsils and inflammation of pharynx. The inflammation of tonsils is called as tonsillitis. Inflammation of pharynx is called as pharyngitis. The major ingredients present in the Mandel's paints and their actions. Potassium iodide is used for solubilization of iodine in water. Normally, iodine is not soluble in water due to presence of potassium iodide. It can be soluble in water. Iodine is used as a antiseptic agent. This is also enhance the penetration of iodine into inner pores and also produces germicidal effect. This is also used for treatment of small abrasions and wounds in the skin. Alcohol used as a preservative agent. Water is used as a solvent for dissolving the another ingredients. Peppermint oil is used as a flavoring agent. Glycerin is most commonly used as a vehicle. These are to produces viscous in nature. Due to viscous, they are sticky and adhere to the affected site and produces the prolonged effect of medicament on the desired site like mouth and throat. Throat paints are most commonly used for treatment of pharyngitis, laryngitis, tonsillitis, and abscess of throat and ulcerative stomatitis. Due to high concentration of glycerin, they are viscous in nature and produces retain drug for longer time on the affected area. Disadvantages: the throat paints are produces salivation, so patient has spit again and again till salivation subsides. This is uncomfort to the patients. The throat paints are difficult to apply to the inner parts of the mouth and throat by the fingers. So by the application by using special hairbrush or cotton plug can be used. In some cases, plastic stick can be twisted and used for application of throat paints. Packaging: throat paints are packed in a airtight color fluted bottles in order to distinguish from the external preparations. The glycerin is hygroscopic in nature, so it must be stored in airtightly closed container. A small quantity of sodium citrate or acetate can be added to store for longer time. These sodium citrate and acetate is act as a preservative agents. Directions: these throat paints can be applied with the help of soft brush or cotton swab. Food: before and after application of throat paint into the mouth or throat, food and water cannot be taken before 1 hour and after 1 hour. The label should be contains for external use only. It is also contains stored in cool place. Shake the bottle before use, not to be swallowed in large amount. The label also contains advices for the patient how to use and how much quantity of can be used, and also contains the direction or use of throat paints preparation. Thank you. Next contains some marketed available preparations of throat paints. The most commonly used for treatment of laryngitis, pharyngitis, and also used for treatment of inflammation of ulcerative colitis. Some marketed preparations are produces antiseptic action, antibacterial action, and also produces desired actions. Throat paints. This is Mandel's throat paint. Some marketed preparations. Gum paints. Gum paints can be used to provide relief from inflamed and bleeding gums, and also used for treatment of cold sores and mouth ulcers. This is Mandel's paint, used for treatment of mouth ulcers. This contains compound iodine. Next one, Candid mouth paint. It is most commonly contains cotrimazole, most commonly used for treatment of thrush in oral cavity. It is also used for only external. Next one, astringent gum paint. It is available in Dentodin gum paint brand name. It produces astringent action in mouth. Next one, Sensoform paint. It is most commonly contains tannic acid, glycerin, potassium iodide, iodine, menthol flavor, and thymol plant. It is most commonly used for treatment of gums infections or throat infections. Next one, Decwadin oral paint. It is most commonly used to produces antibacterial and antifungal actions. It is most commonly used for anti-infective agents. Next one, Sensoform paint. It is most commonly used for produces treat to bleeding gums. Thank you.